Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to find the largest files of your Windows laptop. So first we're going to use a software called WinDirStat. So I'm going to put it on the comment section below. You just have to download and install it. When you open it, you have to give it full permission so that it can scan through your drives. So for our case, we're going to check the drive C. We will select it and click OK. It will take some time, then it will show you this. You'll see like this is a big file. You can just click and see the files. So this one is a game file. So you can see like it's super easy. You can just right click and you can see more. You can click the copy path so that you can go to the Windows Explorer and find it. You can also select the files based on their extension. For example, I have 26 gigabytes of MP4 video and also 12 gigabytes of exe files. It is super easy to find large files this way. You can also sort it by this way and it will show you which folders have the highest size. So this is how you find large files and folders using this software called Windows Directory Statistics. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.